I click the Load Properties tab. In this tab, we define the uniformly distributed loads acting on the foundation and the corresponding vertical loads, horizontal loads, and moments. On the right, I enter the average base pressure transferred by the foundation. I enter the average base pressure as 120 kilopascals. Next to it, you can see the net base pressure. This value is obtained by subtracting the weight of the excavated soil from the base pressure. You can enter the net stress manually or click the Calculate button below to let the program calculate it. I click the Calculate button. The program determines the net base pressure based on the foundation bottom level and the soil profile. It calculates the total stress at the foundation bottom level and subtracts it from the base pressure. On the left, we enter the other loads acting on the foundation. First, let's enter the vertical load P. We recommend setting the P load to match the average base pressure. I enter the P load as 8,640 kilonewtons. This value is obtained by multiplying the base pressure of 120 kilopascals by the foundation area of 72 square meters. Keeping this value consistent with the base pressure helps the program produce more reliable results. Below this, we enter the moment acting on the foundation in the X direction. I set this value to 0. Below that, we enter the moment in the other direction. Below this, the horizontal force is shown. Here, we enter the horizontal forces acting on the foundation. The entered moment and horizontal force values are used to obtain load factors in bearing capacity calculations. For bearing capacity calculations, there are fields for base inclination and ground inclination. I leave these values as 0. To apply the entered properties, I click the Apply button. Then we return to the foundation system properties. Here, you can assign a name to the foundation system if you want. You can also enter notes related to your project. On the right, we define the settlement points to be added to this foundation system. We will cover this in later videos. Now I click the Apply button to activate the entered properties. Then I click Apply once more to reflect them in the model. As you can see, the entered geometry is added to the foundation model. In the next videos, we will cover deep foundation properties and polygon foundation geometries. Thank you for watching.